Hello, today we have another HP Elitebook 840G3. It does not power on. Let's plug the adapter. Once plugged adapter, power button is on and off. If you turn it on, nothing is happening. Okay, let's go and check some voltages. Meter in voltage mode. Okay, check 3 volt and 5 volt rails. We have 3.3. We have 5 volts. Okay, 0.19, 0. Yes, how about the bit connector? 0.19, 3.3, yes, 0.07. And I think there is a problem here. And on bit connector we must have 3 voltage. And here we found one pin, just one pin has the voltage 3.2, 3.3, and nothing else. Okay, let's start from there. What's wrong there? Meter in that one. Okay. Red probe on the ground. No short. No short. No short. No short. This is a CPU power rail. This is normal. This one is for graphics too. Is normal. No short. Let's check on these pins. We have ground on one side, which is this one. These 2 pins are ground. And yes, one of the pin is short here, and this is not a ground because ground is this one. This one and this one are the ground, but this one is not ground. Let's confirm it from another scraper board. This one is a scraper board. Pin number 3, this one is not short, as you can see. So this pin is supposed to be no short on this pin. As you can see on this pin here, we have short. Here we don't have. Let's go and check what short comes from. Let's check these diodes. There's 2 diodes at the back of the bit connector. I have this one. No short. And the other diode, this one is short. Okay. I have another capacitor here. It's short too, because I think it is connected to this diode. Yes. And this side of the capacitor is ground. This one connected to the other side of the diode, which is ground, and this one connected to the positive side of the diode, which also is short, 0. Okay, let's remove that diode. And today I'm going to introduce my brand new tweezer from Mechanic. This is a very strong tweezer. Okay. Okay, and it's very long, so it puts your hand away from the heat. See, very fine tweezer. Okay, let's start. Flux. There it is out. Let's check the shot again. And very proud. And the shot is gone. At this pin 3, shot is gone. Shot is gone on pin 3, no shot. And the dad, no shot again. This is ground and no shot. This. Let's check, confirm it from the dad itself. Yeah, it is shot. I hit that one. Yes, this dad is gone. This one is gone. Okay. Let's check another dad from the scrapper board. Move from this motherboard here. You have to check for the polarity of the diode, positive and ground. So the diode has a mark, positive side has a line. Yes. Okay, diode is in place. Let's clean it and check for the short. Let's check short again. red probe on the ground. And pin number 3, no short. Short is gone. On this side, short is gone. On this cap, short is gone too. This one is ground and this one is ground. Okay. Let's check it again. Let's plug the adapter. Yes. And yes, we have motherboard is on, as you can see. Have light. Waiting for the fan to spin up. It may take a while, and power button is on. As you can see, it will stay on for a while. The other two buttons here, we have Wi-Fi and sound. And fan is spinning now. Okay, let's check for. Let's test it for a picture from the display. Power it off. And also let's check the voltage on the battery connector. Meter and voltage mode. Black probe on the ground. And pin number 3 was this one, which now we have 3.2 volts. And the other one we have 3.3. Now, okay, 11 volt, which is normal for the latest motherboard to have 11 volt on this positive side of the battery connector. Okay, power it off, and let's test from the screen. Okay, let's put hard drive. Let's test from this hard drive here and plug in adapter, and this is on. Let's wait for the picture. Yes, a picture. And have to press enter to reboot system. And press enter. Yes, we have desktop. Let's plug the battery. Okay, battery is plugged in. have 0% on the battery. 0%. Yeah, the battery is charging. It was not recognized, and now we have 7%. Let's wait and see if the percentage will increase. And yes, we have 8% increase, 1 hour and 43 minutes until full charge. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel and for more videos.